If you love memes and crypto, then meet Mog Coin, the internet's first culture coin that's taking the world by storm. Mog Coin. The meme coin that's not just a joke, but a revolution. So, what's all the buzz about? Mog Coin is the internet's first culture coin, blending the fun of viral memes with the potential of crypto. Imagine owning a piece of internet history with every Mog Coin you hold. With supporters like, insert notable influencers or key figures, Mog Coin has quickly gained traction in the crypto community. And the numbers don't lie. Our Twitter network is exploding with insert current number users, all hyped about the future of this meme-tastic coin. Built on the robust Ethereum blockchain, Mog Coin ensures security and efficiency. It's not just a fad, it's a movement. But why was Mog Coin created? It all started with a group of internet culture enthusiasts who wanted to merge the world of memes and digital currency. And thus, Mog Coin was born, capturing the essence of internet culture and financial innovation. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of crypto, Mog Coin is your ticket. Don't miss out on the fun and potential gains. Hit that subscribe button and follow us for more updates on the latest meme coins and crypto trends. Stay savvy, stay invested, and let's ride the Mog Coin wave together.